Previously on Ready to Die.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you've been here, make sure you tell a friend to come pull up. So, with further ado, it is currently 7:27. No, it is currently 8:27 in the morning time. And I have one client this morning, which is a fill-in appointment. And then we are going to go get my hair did. Go get my hair taken out, washed, and treated because your girl needs to feel her scalp. I can't feel my scalp. I can't scratch my scalp. I need to get to my scalp. But yeah, the appointment's at 9 o'clock. So we are going to go ahead and head to the shop. Let me tell y'all about me. I just woke up out of nowhere and saw the 9 a.m. appointment. And tell me why. That's for next Thursday. Aww. Let me go home.